Hey guys, got another video from Carlisle for you. Another video of us roaming around, taking a look at some of the interesting cars and people that were there. I hope you enjoy this, and if you have questions or if you see something that you find interesting, put it in the comments below, but don't do that until after you like and subscribe. Let's get to it. All right guys, here we are. I'm going to take you through a little bit of the show at Corvettes at Carlisle 2022. This is what we call Goat Hill, although the fancy name for it is the Shale Bluff. And in years past, there might be a couple dozen Corvettes up here. This year they were all the way over to the Turnpike. Now this view here is at the top of Goat Hill, walking toward the fairground, and you'll really be able to see how everything just falls away, and then you can see the entire show field, the grandstands off to the right, just to get an idea of the sheer volume of cars and humanity here. Here we go, walking down just one of the aisles with a fun show field. Sweet C8. Up there's a C4. I had a lot of people say they didn't see any C4s, so I'm going to point them out as we go. And you can just walk around literally all day here and see every kind of Corvette you could possibly imagine. And most of the time, you'll be able to sit down and talk to the owner if it's an interesting car, which is really, really fun. And the community is what this show is really all about. Getting together with like-minded folks who love the hobby and love the cars. There's a 96 Collector Edition C4. See, I didn't forget him. There's Steve ducking out of the way. A lot of individual clubs have tents set up. There's a lot of charities set up. Now here we are. This is one of the rows, what we call manufacturer's row. You know, you have your usual suspects here with some really cool custom cars, like McGuire's is the tent we're looking in right now. And those people are always cool to talk to, and they always bring top dollar stuff to look at for the cars. Coming up on the left, we got AMSOIL that's kind of ubiquitous at every show. They make excellent products as well. And you never know who you're going to meet or what you're going to find as you walk through here. Sometimes you run across an item that you didn't even know was being made. That's part of the reason we go to these shows, is to see what's new and what's available. Now, this car I loved. This is a 2004 commemorative edition owned by Jeffrey Duda, also known as Zippity Duda. He's heavily involved in the Corvette Caravan. He is also one of the chairmen of the Chip Miller Amyloidosis Foundation. And he's done some really cool stuff at the inside of his car. He's got the Corbeau Evo seats in it, which are actually thin enough you don't have to do a bunch of changes to use them. You don't have to shave anything. Not great for tall guys because they're not adjustable seat backs, but they are amazing seats. And he, over years, has wrapped every part of his interior in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather. Super, super cool. Just really well done. Check this out. This is the new electrical power top kit that you can buy for a C1 Corvette. You know, these were originally hydraulic, and they worked maybe some of the time. With the new setup, it's all solid state electronics, and you just push the button. The guy's actually using the remote from 20 feet away to do this while I'm shooting this video. This was really, really neat. I imagine they'll be doing something like this for the C2 eventually as well. But what a neat concept that makes that actually work. I love it. That's it, guys. I'll come back with more stuff as I can. Thanks for watching.